Green Auto Sales is a dealership that specializes in the sales of pre-owned automobiles. Its recent opening in September of this year makes it the first of its kind in the Old Town Creek Shopping Center. The inventory at Green Auto Sales includes vehicles mainly from the years 2010 to 2013. They handpick their own cars with the goals to have a wide variety of good quality vehicles with low mileage for their customers.
What you see here is a 2011 Cadillac SRX. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle that will provide you with what a big sport utility vehicle will, but in a smaller version. This will provide you with all the luxury features, has navigation system, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD player, also provide you with a panel sunroof, so the sunroof goes from the front and back. Also another feature, this has a V6 engine and it's direct fuel injectors. So what that will do is give you the gas mileage of a normal V6 engine, but the power of a V8.
You've heard just one of many vehicles featured at Green Auto Sales. To come check out more, visit at 2550 Boulevard in Colonial Heights, Virginia. I'm Jaquelia Cameron reporting from 473 News.